Hey guys, you're watching Skeleton Plays. Today I'm gonna be unboxing the Microsoft phone. So let's unbox it. Okay, let me get out of everything. Here's the charger. It's very big. It's Microsoft. Oh, a sound card. Oh, it's already put it. Here is the phone itself. Yeah, there's the phone itself. So yeah, phone itself, it's very good. I chose the orange color because it's very beautiful. It's glorious, and it's like a 4-inch screen. Has a HD webcam, right? Yeah, HD webcam. It says here Microsoft. I don't know if you can see it. And here, turn it on, and this comes, and you just lock it like this. It has all sorts of apps. You have already pictures of me because I already tried it at the store to see how is it. So I use it, and I go to the cafe to see what it's like, and I just capture myself to see, look at the camera and all sorts, and I buy it. I gotta buy the Samsung Galaxy A3, the gold color. It's very beautiful, but no, let's try this son of a bitch. And yeah, it's very good. Here we have a flashlight. It says here Microsoft. Here you charge it. A headphone jack. A speaker. This is the speaker. This is the box. It's very cool box. Microsoft Office and all sorts. So that's about it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this first unboxing on this channel. And that's about it. See you in the next video.